is Sonne from Hangzhou Haitalo. Now I will introduce our machine, Sonne Xie. And now you can see the machine have 4 parts: the hopper, the control unit, the trolley, and the spray gun. And you can see the 3 buttons. It is the feeder for the powder output. It is for the dosage, and it is for the clean air. You can pull it out and adjust. And it is for the kV and the current set. And it is for the flat parts function. It is for the recording function. It is for the complexed part function. It is for the parser function. And now I will show you how to set the kV and current set. When you start to use the machine, you need to connect the ground wire. When you set the kV, you need to press the spray gun. Higher. It is low. It is high. It is flat. Recording.
那边碰一碰。
Now let our worker show you how to spray the workpiece. That's all. Thank you.